Hey guys, welcome back to Ava Squared.
Today we
are gonna be vlogging.
Yes.
And this is Ava's new vanity. You wanna show them? Dun, 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 dun. So right here we got some touch. Hold up, turn it around. Turn. Okay. First, we have some Touchland.
Yes.
Spray.
Oh, not me.
Next, what do we have?
We have
the glow recipe.
Yes,
queen. Okay. Goes on your body too. On your body and on your face. See? It's moisturizer.
Yes, it says watermelon.
A lot of people just put it on your face. It's supposed to go on your body too.
Yeah.
What's next?
We have what my friend gave me for my birthday.
I'm the friend.
Yep. She got me this.
Soy de Jinero. We have the same one.
Yep, and it's
mine's
48.
48. I love the scent. It's my favorite. Oh. Yes.
And then next we have.
Here's exactly how mine spelled.
Which one?
I have this too.
Yep.
She got it for me for my birthday.
Yep.
And it's some hand sanitizer mist.
Again.
Spray. There we go. So peppermint. Next we have 1,000 Wishes lotion. Body lotion.
Yep.
To be exact. And put it on our arms.
Yeah. There it is.
We're putting it on our arms because that's the closest thing. I would not recommend putting this on your face. Yeah. I mean, you can, but
there we go.
It smells so good. And this is an advertisement. It's in the link below. Hopefully. That's what our moms do.
Yeah.
And Glow Recipe and Touchland are also in the link below. Yeah. Forgot to say that.
And then
do these two. Okay.
First,
next,
let's do 1,000 wishes.
I have that one, but it looks different.
I only got some.
Ooh! Ooh! I'll do this one.
Okay.
Next, we have In the Stars.
Yep. In the Stars.
Oh.
Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you.
Have we shown them the light?
No, let's show them the light right now. You turn.
3, 2. Hold up. Ready? 3. Hold up. Look at that.
That is so pretty, Ma.
So pretty.
Yeah, so slay. So pretty.
Slay queen.
So slay. Cool.
Yes, baddies. Okay. So that was basically our get ready with me, I guess.
Yeah.
Get ready with me. We'll do some more next time. Peace.